What's up guys, it's Diego from Pete and Pedro, and today we're doing ASMR. I'm joking. I'm gonna be showing you guys my top 5 favorite hairstyles you can do with medium length hair. I just got my hair trimmed, so it makes this even more medium length than it was before, and I think you would find that a lot of these hairstyles are quite interesting, so let's get into it. The first one I like to call the Antonio Banderas. Because you're doing a slick style, okay? And for this, you're gonna wanna grab your pomade. I'm using this one from Pete and Pedro, of course, because it's freaking phenomenal. And you just want a little bit, not too much. It's better to go in with less at first versus with more, because you can easily add more as you go. And emulsify that into your hands. And you just wanna start by getting it everywhere. This one is such a great hairstyle and everyone will devour you. Then take your comb, super easy, super simple. And then that's pretty much it. And with the pomade, you have so much hold that it just stays like that all day. Now, if you like the sleek look, but you don't want it to be too perfect, then this next hairstyle will be perfect for you. And you're gonna wanna grab something that has a little bit of hold and a little bit of shine, nothing crazy. This paste from Pete and Pedro is absolutely amazing as well. It does a great job for this. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. All right, literally just a finger amount like that. Again, if you have medium length hair, you don't really need that much product. And I would say don't be too perfect with this one. Again, you still wanna have a little bit of that slick back, but not to the point where you are trying to force your hair to do something it doesn't naturally want to do. So this one's a little bit more natural. Again, it has that sophistication to it. Let the hair fall a little bit. And you almost wanna like shake it a little bit. Shake it back, let it fall, and that is pretty much all you need right there. So that's hairstyle number 2. This next style isn't for everyone, but if you have relatively medium length hair, if it's not super long, you might be able to get away with this. What you wanna do is you wanna put a hat like this, leave the hair sticking out just like this. Trust me guys, this isn't the hairstyle, we're gonna get to that, okay? But right now, this is the process. Then you're gonna take your hair dryer and you're just literally going to blow dry it up. All right, so this one is gonna obviously be a little bit messy, a little bit more of a wavy hairstyle. And now for this one specifically, I would really highly recommend, or any hairstyle that you want waves, you're gonna need a good sea salt spray. One that preferably does not dry out your hair. So this one that I'm using, of course, from Pete Pedro, does not dry it out. It smells great. And it really makes your hair very soft and wavy, which is what we want. So just a few sprays, rub it in with your hands a little bit. Once the waves are waving, then you have a finished hairstyle. If you're into something that looks almost like you didn't do anything, but still textured and wavy, this one will be perfect for you. Now this hairstyle is the asymmetrical part. It's sort of like a middle part, but obviously asymmetrical. It's a little bit off to the side. Take your hair dryer, take the brush, and you're going to blow dry it up slightly to the side, whichever side you want it to go. It doesn't have to be super perfect unless you want it to be. It literally just takes a little bit of strategy. You can kind of see it, obviously. There's plenty of hold, plenty of volume and texture. And using a clay for this is gonna give you a lot of volume. It's gonna give you a good natural look, but it's gonna give you plenty of hold. So make sure to use a clay if you want something a little bit more natural. Now, if you want something a little bit more elegant, this one, you don't have to be super picky as far as which product you use. Obviously, some products fit hairstyles more than others, but for this one specifically, if you want a little bit of shine, you can go in with the pomade, or if you want it to look natural, you can do it with the clay. It's gonna be literally all of the hair on top, and we're just gonna brush it over to the side. This one's a bit more put together, but of course, you can make it flowy with your fingers just kind of brushing it naturally like that. And maybe if you have long enough hair, you can kind of tuck it behind your ears. That way it sits a little bit more flush. But ultimately, this one is really nice. I like wearing this hairstyle whenever it's a little bit more formal. I can't always do the messy surfer styles that I like, but this is a really good hairstyle to do, and I recommend it to anybody because it just sits so nice. But anyway, guys, that is 5 hairstyles that you can do really easily and really quickly. All of these hairstyles took me like less than like 2 minutes. So really easy to do. Make sure to grab some Pete and Pedro products if you want really good, high quality products so that your hair looks good all the time. Anyways, guys, I'll see you later.